Forex versus futures trading. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll discuss this topic, futures trading and Forex trading. And if you are trying to find out which one should you go with, or which will give you maybe maximum profits, more profits, or depending on your skills. So we'll discuss all these things in this video, that what is the difference between futures and Forex trading, and this video will help you to decide where to maybe invest your money wisely. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end, and after watching the video till the end, if you like, then subscribe, like and share, and we'll discuss these links maybe in the end. But in case you want to book the consultation with me, you can click on the first link below and you can talk to me about your stock trading, Forex trading, or any kind of trading, gold trading, crypto trading. Okay, so if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation. We'll talk about this maybe in the end, or you can check out these links in your free time. Coming back to this screen here, where I have this Forex chart Euro USD open, as you can see. And well, let's talk about what is futures trading, because I'm an expert in Forex trading. And if I have to go and check what is futures, so it says here futures trading involves buying or selling blah 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 on a future date. Okay, so I'm not teaching you here what is futures trading or what is Forex trading in this video. No, I'm not here to teach you. I am here only to help you to decide or differentiate that if you really want to put in your money, invest your money, or trade with your money, then which industry you should go into. Should you go into stocks or options or futures or Forex? I'll just give you my opinion on this, that where will I put my money, and then you can decide if that suits you too. Okay, so it will help you. Anyway, so what is this? It says here common assets include agriculture products, wheat, energy, oil, metals, and financial instruments, indices, currencies. I don't think the futures don't come in India indices and currencies, but it comes in gold or blah blah blah. Okay, but the problem with the futures is, you might have heard the word options trading and futures trading. Okay, don't do any of that. If you are not expert into that, for example, if you're a beginner or trying to learn trading, don't overcomplicate things for yourself. You should do those things or work in that environment which gives you maximum period to test. And I'm talking about the opening of the market timings. Okay, so futures and options happens on a particular time frame, whichever country you're coming from, depending on your market opening time and closing time. For example, if I take an example of a country like India. India is the fourth economy right now, okay, in the world, and the Indian market opens only for like 6 hours. Okay, that's crap for me. So Indian market opens at 9:15 a.m. in the morning Indian time, and it closes at 3:30 p.m. Afternoon in the Indian time. Okay, that's bullshit to me. Okay, so I will never choose a trading method or trading field in which I only have 6 hours of window to trade. That's just not for me, because I will sleep for 8 hours. So if I sleep 8 hours, I would like my trading window to be at least for 24 hours. Okay, so this is one factor, that is again my personal situation. So if we have to compare futures versus Forex, we have to talk about pros and cons and what suits whom. Because let's say if you do a 9 to 5 job in a country like India or any country you are in, if you're doing 9 to 5 job, then how can you do trading in that particular country? Because you will be in your office and the market will close before you come back home. So again, let's take an example in this video of India, or maybe wherever you are. So if you are working in a 9 to 5 job, and if you want to do stock trading or some other futures or options trading in your own country, in your own currency, then you really don't have time, because your market will your market will close. Your market will open when you will be in the office, and your market will close before you come back from the office. So when will you trade? Right? So that is why, whether it's options trading, futures trading, it doesn't attract me. Plus it has its own pros and cons, because I will make a separate video on options trading after this video. In this video I'm going to just only focus on futures. Okay, so coming back again here, it says primarily used by hedgers, producers, users, mitigating risk, and speculators investors. So futures and options, they're traded simultaneously. Okay, so mainly futures is for protecting your losses, or minimizing your losses, called hedging. Okay, so again here I'm saying, and it says here contracts must be settled, blah 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 blah, my ass. Okay, so I hate these trading concepts of options and futures. Oh, in futures, we have contracts between buyer and seller, and then in options you have alpha, beta, gamma, theta. Fuck you. So when we want to trade, then we should be able to make or lose money based on our right or wrong decision. Okay, for example, if we talk about forex trading, so if you come and take a look at any forex chart, so let's say you predicted here that the price will go down, so that's your profit. And if you predicted here the price will go up, then that's your profit. Okay, but when you talk about futures and options and this and that, there you have to think about, oh, my expiry date is coming, my expiry date is weekly, my expiry date is next month. What the F is going on here? What is this expiry date? So I will worry about my analysis. I will worry about my stop loss, or I will worry about my alpha, beta, gamma, theta, or this expiry. I mean, idiots are trading this. I have no hesitation saying that anybody who does futures trading or options trading, they are those people. You just don't have enough knowledge or expertise of deciding where to put in your money. Okay, if you do stock trading, after the analysis, I get it, you can hold your stocks for 6 months or 3 months and exit and enter when the market is at the peak and at the bottom. So stock trading is fine, but even in stock trading, I will make a different video, because you are just wasting your money in stock trading if you are in a country like India or somewhere else, because you are only earning in your local currency when you could earn in dollars if you do forex trading. Okay, so again, coming back to futures trading here, what are you doing here? Are you going to worry about what is my expiry date? I have to take the in the money call, or at the money, or deep in the money. I mean, what nonsense is that? Do we have not enough things to worry about? Do we not have to worry about when shall we enter? What should be our entry? What is the price action, the analysis, the charts, this and that? Do we not have enough problems to deal with already? Then why are you so freaking taking a bad decision to put your money into something which you don't even know about it? Okay, for example, options trading, alpha, beta, gamma, theta. All this is made only to liquidate your money. Okay, otherwise you will hear from those people. I'm talking about this options buying, not in selling. Okay, so in options buying, if even if you're right about the direction, still you lose all the money. Okay, and in option selling, you got to have so much money. You need to have thousands and thousands of dollars to start option selling. But let's not get into that. Okay, right now in this video, let's stick to futures only. So again, in futures, it involves contracts. My ass. Take my ass for your contracts. Okay, I wipe my ass with your contracts here. Okay, so I do not play the rule. I don't do the business as per the somebody else's rule. Okay, so let me give you a tip here. I will talk about this in the coming videos too. Okay, that when you are doing a business, because trading is also a full-time business. Okay, don't take it lightly. Oh, I got money, so yeah, what? You got the money, you are here to invest and take it as a business. Okay, so when you are thinking as a businessman or as a businesswoman, the very first thing you need to know or should have in your mind is that you should have control over your business resources, and you should always have control over your money. Okay, so why are you just burning your money with those things in which your money will be liquidated when the expiry date comes? Your money will be liquidated when the alpha, beta, theta, gamma comes. That's all nonsense. Okay, so in short, if you still have not understood what I'm trying to say, is that I am saying do not trade futures. And if you really want to trade, then get into forex trading. And if you don't know what to do in forex trading, we'll talk about that in a moment, okay? But if I have to choose one trading, it's not just because I'm doing it, it's because I'm thinking like a businessman. You know what? If you go below my YouTube channel, you will never find because you normally what you see, follow me on Instagram. you know People will ask you to click on the link below there, follow them maybe on Facebook, follow them on their TikTok, follow them on this Instagram or whatever, okay? You will never see me on Instagram because I don't care about Instagram. Why? Because I am a businessman. My mind works like a businessman. Why am I on YouTube? Why am I not on this Instagram? Do you know why? Because on YouTube we know that your channel could survive. Even if you get some content issues, YouTube will give you some time to remove your video or make some changes, this and that. So YouTube will technically give you signals, early warnings before they close your channel, okay? But on things like TikTok, Instagram, even if you have million followers, you are not in control. They will blow up your account, disable it, deactivate it whenever they want it, okay? What I mean to say here is by that, you need to invest your time, skill, and your money into something only which is at least slightly in your control. Okay. So when you have to actually do some kind of trading, invest your money and learn a new skill, maybe, then you need to go with that option in which you are not being manipulated. Okay. Futures, options, it's all crap. Anything which talks about expiry date, that's bullshit. Okay. So when you talk about forex trading, forex market opens 24 by 5. It doesn't mean you will make money all the time or make money every day. No. But at least, when you wake up, you have a live chart open on your screen, okay? And then you can scan the chart and do your analysis, and you can scan those upcoming trades, and then you can get yourself ready for taking new trades, new entries in the coming few days or few hours, okay? So this is what you don't get in futures or options trading. Do you understand? So, I gave you the example in the beginning that, okay, if you have to trade your own country's market, if you are in Japan or Singapore or America, wherever you are, but if you're doing a 9 to 5 job in your local country, and then you can't trade your local market. You got the point? So you need to, and on top of that, I told you now already 3 times, do not fall for this nonsense that, oh, my contract will be expired. This is my expiry date. This is my alpha, beta, gamma, theta. Come on, get over with it, okay? I don't know why millions and millions of people even do this. Why millions and millions of people are even into option in future, I just have no idea, okay? And, I have tried it. It's not like I haven't tried it. I have tried options buying as this and that, but it just doesn't make sense because, even if you are right in that, they still will not give you the money. They will just, it's for premium. We'll talk about premium and all crap in the next video about options trading. But anyways, so if you are looking to do trading or you do have some money which you want to invest, I think either you can do stock trading or you do forex trading. Now, I'm gonna make a separate video on stock trading because depending which country you are from. If you are from a country like India or Japan, then don't do stocks. Do forex because you can do stocks if you're in America or UK. If you are in America and UK, and if your country, if your currency is strong as in terms of conversions, okay? So if you have a strong currency in UK, such as you have USD, Euro, or GBP, then you can do stocks in your countries. But if you're from Asian countries like India, Japan, where the currency is not that strong, then you have the option to switch to forex trading because then you will make profits in dollars. So, for example, if you make, let's say, example of India here, if you, let's say, make 10,000 INR profits, what if you make $10,000 profit? Is there any comparison? No. So you have to be smart when you invest your money. Having the money doesn't mean you're smart. There are people on the planet who are smart or they know a lot of things, but they don't have the money. But there are people who are billionaires, but they don't know everything. Okay. So if you are interested into forex trading, then you will find some links here You can book the consultation with me to get started. If you have questions, make a list, book the consultation from me, click on the first link, and then we can talk what you want to start. And then you can get if you're into forex trading already, you can get my swing setups, join the monthly membership here. And if you want a swing trading robot which will just make money while you sleep into forex trading, then you can check out this link here, join my free Telegram. And again, if you're just new, you don't know what is going on here, you don't know anything about forex trading, don't worry, we have this robot. And you can, first of all, you can consult with me, book the consultation, and we can explain you what's happening in forex trading. And then you will make profits. I have done it, seen it, and I gave you, I gave you the example already that why am I not on Instagram? Because I don't fucking care about them. I like to have control over my resources. As a businessman, my mind thinks in this way that, okay, on YouTube, we still have a chance that YouTube will not close you just like that. But on Instagram, TikTok, they can suspend you just like that. Okay, so as a businessman, you only do such things where if you are putting your time and effort and money, you should get the results and nobody else should be in the control. Okay, so again, you have to think what are you gonna do. Okay, so I think the video is getting longer, but anyways, forex trading versus futures trading market, F of futures trading and F of options trading. Okay, for now I will stay with the forex and stocks, and if I have to choose between two, then the forex will be the winner. Okay, so again, go and check out the links below, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.